Pinches guaraches.
Wake up the welder. Metal's already ready to go sleep.
Damn, Sammy, your socks are done for.
Hey, Ross has it.
Ross?
Yeah.
Ross has got the hookup.
What? You want one?
This man showed up ready to have a party and drink, and the only party he got was a welder.
Fucking bogus.
Your guy's on.
Now you're about to do it. Mira, te voy a enseñar cómo soldar, güey.
I swear if you fucking burn through
Te voy a enseñar cómo soldar. Enséñale, Jorge.
I mean, I was gonna do that, but like, should I really?
What, put your legs underneath?
Yeah.
Hey, you need help holding that? A ver.
No, los Oakleys.
He wants the Oakleys. He thinks the Oakleys help from the welding.
Dude, you can't
Hey, where's my gloves? Can I see my gloves?
Ah, you pussy gloves, you don't need
Nigga,
mine.
them bitches barely fit me.
They're right there.
I was gonna offer them to you, but them bitches barely fit my hands.
Mira las pinches.
Ponte guantes de hule.
Nigga, these bitches barely fit me.
Yeah, those bitches are pretty small.
They're fucking small.
It would have been my size after though.
It's recording right now.
Fuck.
It's hard, ain't it? Try and get that penetration. Oh, there you go. Burn through, cuz.
That bitch was good.
Yeah, just throw some shit over it.
Too much. You gotta remember when you burn through, you gotta start on the edge, not right when you burn through.
There's some holes in there?
Yeah.
Just a couple.
You gotta go back.
I might have to feel it. Hold on.
I can feel it, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna feel it, but I'm gonna.
Or you want me to throw another bead through the inside?
Fuck.
It's okay.
Another burn through, no? Yeah, that's a big.
Hey, that's where the strut goes, dude.
What are you doing? One too slow or what? Oh, that's a pretty big hole.
You want me to fill it?
Yeah. Damn, you done messed it up already, cuz. Look at that hole right there. Chingao.
That's true.
No, pues wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This car is different now because it's been a while and I haven't uploaded. It's been about a month, but I'll show you what I've done. So the main obvious thing here in the engine compartment, I finally filled in my shock towers. I welded them and painted them, and I'm kind of cleaning it up. I got, as you can see, my radiator. I just put this in. This was in this way, and I was way too close to the motor, so I had to cut this piece out. And you can see I'm wasting zip ties here just to kind of see where things are gonna lay. So also, another new thing is my Borgeson steering pump. I just put that in as well, so hopefully that makes a difference. And then if we go to the back of the car, I put in my leaf springs I ordered a 2-inch reverse eye, so it's supposed to be lower, but this is how it sits. I might have to add some blocks to it just to lower it a little, just for fun, but that's how it sits now. I'll show you some shots of that. And yeah, I got the motor here. I am waiting for me to be off again so I could put it in, and hopefully I just start building after this. It should be ready to just send it now.
Also guys, he put the interior back in. He's got all his Holley stuff to wire up the motor as soon as the motor's back in.
Oh yeah, I don't think they
He
did
is
that.
changing his distributor from this style to that style recommended by, I guess, Holley Performance. I don't know if you put that in the last video.
My last video, I didn't think I put that in any video. I got all my wiring, my Holley EFI kit, so I have everything besides my fuel. So I'll need fuel lines, a fuel pump. So hopefully this car is up and running in a few weeks. I'm still waiting on my headers, but I did get some pictures of those and they're coming out really, really good. So hopefully next weekend I'll have that in. But at this point, I'm just at the point where I'm kind of assembling everything back together and not taking anything else out. So hopefully everything works as planned, and I'm hoping that by next month this car is running. So we'll see. That's kind of it for this video. I just wanted to make a short video, an update, because a lot have changed. I've done a few things differently, so if you guys have any questions about this Borgeson pump, how to install it, that was pretty simple. I know I had a few people asking me about the T5 swap. That wasn't too difficult either. So if you guys have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer you guys as soon as I see that. But yeah, I did the Borgeson and the leaf springs. The leaf springs are pretty easy and simple. So you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'll put the part numbers up for you guys that are interested in those things. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully this car is up and running here shortly.